So in this video as well, we are still focusing on the new designs and the remaining screens of the application that we are building, the finance app. So if you have seen my last video, I was talking about creating the finance application. I have started from the scratch. I have built the Flutter SDK and also the backend code on the Python. So you can see my code and backend front end is already there. Startup script is already there. You can see. So the startup code is ready. We had designed the dashboard screen as you remember in the last, and once we had designed this dashboard screen, we want to know about other screens. We want to design the other screens. So these are the transition screens. It can show us like what is the latest today transitions, what are the yesterday transitions, and so on. It can have like plus icon where we can add the new transitions as well. And apart from this have so many menu items, filters you can say, invoices, expenses, foods, and etc. It has the search icon. Now the next screen is the my loan, which has like loan, you can see outstanding and the monthly EMI. It is showing the calendar in this format. It's showing the all loans pendings paid and every details that you want to show on your application. This has like some dummy data and everything. In the bottom section it has like different menus like invest, profile section, and the core menu. Okay, now the other screen is like regarding the detail screen, which is like the dashboard screen itself, which will show some mutual fund and stocks as well, and kind of portfolio screen it is. Okay, the other screen that we are talking about is actually the my cards, and it is kind of some details overview of your credit cards and your, if you want to send request money, and if you have to maintain the history. You have seen something kind of Google Pay or something application, type of application, where we are sending money to the different user. But this will see later whether we have to provide this functionality or not. But yeah, this is the credit overview. So it is showing your total use, total availability, pay bill statements, limits, and logs, your card detail status, everything. Okay, so you can see here different menus screens are still we need to build. So what we will do, we will just take it one by one, the screenshots of that, just like okay. We have to, now we have to take this script. Okay, we have taken all the screenshots over here. Now we will go to cursor right away. Okay, we came to cursor. Now what we will do, tell to cursor, I have over a screenshot to build designs on. Yeah, okay, let me attach all the screenshots. I have to attach. Okay, I want to say like focus on now on flatter shape. We will make it. Okay. Hmm. showing up in the design files. Okay, so I want to see like as it is same design I want it. No, I already put it the prompt for designing our Flutter new screens, and we can provide any kind of instruction that we needed, but as for now I think this is enough. And I want just to mention like make it open everything from the app to one to the screen, as well as design as it is seen in after changes. Okay, now we'll just enter it. Let's see what it is doing, the complete changes. We can hear it down. So it is just planning the next moves right now. It's creating additional screens from the screenshots, setting up the navigation, implementing each screen and static data, matching the design. Now it is creating the main navigation file. You can see here changes are already become. It's creating the bank account screen. Now you can see here we have recent transitions, we have quick actions, we have monthly budget, we have bottom navigation, we have balance card. It is creating a proper structure inside the widget folder. Now it is creating the credit overview screens. Now you can understand, if you even don't know the code, at least you know how to give the prompt and create your instructions and develop the fully functional application. So everything is ready to use. There's no chance like any mismatch in the what you're providing and what you're getting. Everything will be in the aligned order. Let's wait for a couple of minutes, I think, and it will be ready to show us. It is creating the loan screen now. So every coding, every script, every file is ready now. It is just combining and creating final application. You can see here the data and the static objects and everything is present in the file. You can just edit it if you want, but right now it's creating a fully functional, so let's just wait for it. So the better for using the Flutter is actually it will actually provide you the hybrid application you can run, or you can just generate a SDK, generate a APK for the Android application, and also you can generate a app app for the iOS app, so it will run on both of the platforms, so you don't need to code differently. Now it is creating the portfolio screen. You can see here. This is the main.dart file which will actually combine everything and centralize of your application. It is also providing the static data as well, which we help in needing for testing purpose. So right now we are already only building the front end part. As it will be ready, it will just we have to generate the backend APIs for that, and that will be quickly easier because if you have the design ready, it will be much easier to generate the APIs reference part on the Python side. So that's why I'm focusing on right now generate the front end and then the APIs, and along with that the database queries and all. So design will be the main part. If the design is finalized, then we can move on the backend. So it is creating a fixing navigation logic, and there's a main navigation also. Now I just need to run this on the Chrome. Now it is giving me the complete instructions, what it, things are done, and what are feature implemented by the cursor. So here you can see the application is getting started. Now this is the main screen that we already have seen in the last video in the starting. This is the account screen. As it has created, it has sent request and credit cards and recent activity. It has the different screen for the detail status, and everything as per the design that you have given. So this is the QR screen that we want to do or not is up to us, but for now it is not implemented. But yeah, we have not provided design for that. Now it is the profile screen. You can see profile screen, stocks, mutual funds. These are the static right now. It has the stocks and mutual fund and other filters. You can see some little bit of design things get fail here, but it will be fixed down in the upcoming prompt that we want to do. And this all data is static, and we will make it dynamic in the recent and the coming section. You can see view all screens also there. We have different filters that will work when we do the dynamic of this. Okay, so these are the recent screens, these are the cards. Okay, so this is for now, for this session. So if you like this video, just subscribe it and share with your friends, and comment it down if you need anything else, any else improvement for the video part. And I will coming up with a new series as soon as possible. And I will provide the next instructions how we will make it dynamic completely from the backend and the dynamic with the data part as well. So just follow and subscribe this channel and just share with your friends and like it. Thanks.